to the grand gallery, where colors dance and mysteries breathe. The halls shimmer bright with the painter's delight, but shadows crawl just underneath. Tonight's the gala of the arts, where every hue plays a part. But a crime was born with a brutal scorn, a masterpiece torn apart. Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Through sculpture studios and graffiti gardens, through abstract atriums wild and hardened, you'll chase the trails of pastel dreams, find truth stitched inside the seams. The suspects wait in colored pride, purple, red, blue, green collide, black and yellow, bluff and sway. Will you unmask the guilt today? Brushes dropped, whispers fly, a guilty hand beneath the sky. The butler's called, the doors are sealed. The truth tonight must be revealed. In color crimes we play our part, where every mark betrays a heart. Influence of arts, the first spark. Where healing starts, where healing starts. Remember, in art a mark remains. In colors, beauty, and in stains. Influence of art, where the canvas heals. Unlock your story. Unlock what's real.
Case 1, Brush with the Starry Night victim. The starry night slashed across the sky with thick, jagged strokes. Crime details: a paintbrush dripping with midnight blue paint lies near the canvas. Clues: someone overheard a passionate argument about overrated post-impressionism. Outcome: use the revealed tools. Outcome: culprit, Colonel Green. Weapon, paintbrush. Room, the classic art room. Motive, jealousy over Van Gogh's fame overshadowing natural landscapes.